Recharge. Friendly, fun, and fantastic. It's me, Flip, and I need to recharge. Will you recharge with me? Fliptastic. To keep your body and brain healthy, it's important to make fit choices like choosing nutritious foods or moving your body. To make sure you have enough energy to make healthy choices, it's important to recharge with relaxing activities and by getting a good night's sleep. Let's recharge together with my favorite relaxing activity, Brain Rain. To play Brain Rain, we're going to use our hands and our imaginations to create a rainstorm in our minds. Start by sitting down, placing your hands in your lap, and taking a deep breath in through your nose like you're smelling a flower. And out through your mouth like you're blowing out a candle. Again, in and out. Now, close your eyes. It's time to use your imagination. Pretend you're sitting under a tree at your favorite park. Feel the grass between your toes and the breeze on your face. Do you hear the birds? They're telling us it's gonna rain. Wait, they said we can make it rain with our hands. Let's do it together. Just take your hands and lightly rub them together to call the wind. Keep going. I can feel the wind getting stronger. Here come the rain clouds. Tap one finger on the palm of your hand to call the raindrops. Keep tapping to help the drops reach the leaves of our tree. Ready to make it rain harder? Tap all 4 of your fingers on your palm. That's it. We're giving the trees and flowers the rain they love. Now clap your hands to make it downpour. Wow! It's raining cats and dogs. The drops are falling through the leaves and flopping on our heads. Keep clapping, and on the count of 3, slap the floor to bring the thunder. 1, 2, 3, slap! Oh, I could feel the rumble. Keep clapping, and 1, 2, 3, slap the floor. What a storm! Keep clapping, but softer now. Clap softer to calm the storm. That's it. Now, tap 4 fingers on your palm to start to slow the rain. To clear the clouds, tap just 1 finger on your palm as the last raindrops splash on the tree. And rub your hands together to call the wind to dry the rain. As you hear the birds chirp, take a deep breath and smell the fresh air after the rain. Breathe in and out. Again, breathe in and out. And open your eyes. Do you feel recharged? I know I do. Great job making it rain. The trees and flowers and birds, thank you. Remember, when you're feeling tired, you can recharge with a relaxing activity like we did today, or with a good night's sleep. When you recharge, you get energy to make healthy, fit choices. Have a flip-tabulous day and stay fit.